Chapter 7 A Ride on the Metro, page 51. Ready to go shopping? Aunt Anjali smiled. Not today, Auntie, Reena said. Today we want to go for a ride on the metro, added Tinu. So यहाँ एक आंटी है अंजलि जो पूछ रही है कि आई यू रेडी टू गो टू शॉपिंग, जिसके जवाब में रीना बोलती है कि आज नहीं, दे वांट टू गो फॉर अ राइड ऑन द मेट्रो. मेट्रो में वो लोग राइड करना चाहते हैं. ये बोला टीनू ने. रीना एंड टीनू वर विजिटिंग देयर अंकल, आंट एंड कजिन बेनू इन दिल्ली. सो रीना एंड टीनू वो लोग अपने अंकल, आंट और कजिन बेनू के घर आए हैं who live in Delhi. They had come from a small town called Gaya. और रीना एंड टीनू कहाँ रहते हैं? गाया. दैट इज अ स्मॉल टाउन. गाया हैज कार, बसेस, रिक्शाज एंड साइकिल्स. इट डज नॉट हैव द मेट्रो. गाया में कार, बसेस, रिक्शा, साइकिल सब चलते हैं, बट वहाँ मेट्रो नहीं है. और हम लोग मेट्रो जानते हैं, वो अंडरग्राउंड चलता है. वेयर इज द मेट्रो? रीना आस्क्ड एज दिस सेट ऑफ. Aunt Anjali pointed to the metro station. So Reena is asking where is the metro, to which Aunt Anjali pointed to the station. Underground. That is the metro station underground में. Asked a surprised Tinu. Okay, underground. So underground में जो है वो सुन के टीनू सरप्राइज हो जाता है. Look, Reena said, a stair that moves. Okay, अब रीना बोल रही है कि जो हम लोग पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, that is the stair that moves, जिसको escalator बोलते हैं. That Benu explained. It's safe. Aunt Anjali said, you hold the handle and step off in time. जो वहाँ पर पिक्चर में you can see a lady in blue. She has put her hand on the place that is known as the handrail. We, Tinu said, this is fun and so fast, Reena said. So the children, both Tinu and Reena, they are glad and they are excited to see the escalator as well. Wait here, said Aunt Anjali, I'll get the tokens. So metro में travel करने के लिए tokens की ज़रूरत पड़ता है. So that is Aunt Anjali telling that she will get the tokens. What's our train called? Reena asked, looking around. So Reena is asking what's the name of that train. अगर ट्रेन में ट्रैवल किए हैं तो ट्रेन का नेम्स होता है. सो वही ट्रेन का सोच के रीना इज आस्किंग. मेट्रो ट्रेन्स डोंट हैव नेम्स, बेनू एक्सप्लेन. बेनू देयर कजिन explain that metro trains do not have names. How will we know which train to get into? Tinu asked. Each train has a different colored line on it, the aunt said. So Tinu asked that how will they identify the train, to which aunt replied that the metro have different colored line. Like picture में देखिए metro में यहाँ blue color का line दिया हुआ है. So they can easily identify the metros. Explain as she returned with the tokens, and then the auntie came back with the tokens. We are taking the blue line. Come on. The children followed their aunt to a small gate. So the children followed. Touch your tokens here, said Benu. The gate will open for you. Okay, so metro में travel करने के लिए tokens को put करना पड़ता है, and then the gate opens so that you can enter. But keep your tokens carefully with you. Reena held her token tightly. What if she lost it and was not allowed to travel? Okay, so the children are excited as well as they are becoming cautious because it is the first time that they are traveling a metro. She touched her token at the gate and it opened. Isn't the platform beautiful? Okay, so now they are experiencing it for the first time, so they are wondering and they are glad, they are excited by seeing the platform too, that it is, and exclaim that it is beautiful. Binu said with pride. Yes, agreed Reena. So clean too. So here's our train, said Aunt Anjali. The train rushed in. The minute it stopped, the sliding doors opened and some people stepped out. So metro का जब arrive किया, so the gate opened and some people stepped out. बाहर निकल रहे थे. Come on, Tinu jumped in excitedly. We'll never get seat. Okay, अब ये देख के टीनू excited हो जाता है and he exclaims that let us go inside. Wait, Benu pulled him back. Let the people get off first. So Benu here explains that they should not rush. Let the people who are already inside the metro, they come out.